Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ring Doorbell Pro, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing the Ring Doorbell Pro. Inside the box, you'll find the Ring Doorbell, a mounting bracket, screws, and a user manual. Next, check that you have a compatible doorbell system with a transformer rated between 16 to 24 volts. Turn off the power to your existing doorbell at the circuit breaker to ensure safety. Remove your old doorbell from the wall carefully. Disconnect the wires from your old doorbell and make sure they do not touch anything metal. Attach the mounting bracket for the Ring Doorbell Pro to the wall using the provided screws. Make sure the bracket is level before securing it entirely. Connect the two wires from your doorbell system to the terminals on the back of the Ring Doorbell Pro. Ensure that the wires are securely fastened to prevent any connection issues. Once connected, carefully push the wires back into the wall. Mount the Ring Doorbell Pro onto the bracket and press down to secure it in place. Next, restore power to your doorbell at the circuit breaker. When the Ring Doorbell powers up, you'll see a spinning blue light. Download the Ring app from the App Store or Google Play on your smartphone. Open the app and create an account or log into your existing one. Follow the in-app instructions to begin the setup process. Select Set up a device and choose Doorbell from the list. Scan the QR code located on the front of your Ring Doorbell Pro or manually enter the code. Connect your phone to the Ring Doorbell's temporary Wi-Fi network. The app will guide you to connect the Ring Doorbell to your home Wi-Fi network. Once your Ring Doorbell is connected to Wi-Fi, it will perform a firmware update if needed. You can then customize your settings, such as motion detection zones and alert preferences. Test your Ring Doorbell by pressing the button to ensure that notifications are working. Finally, adjust the angle of the doorbell if necessary for optimal viewing. Congratulations, your Ring Doorbell Pro is now fully set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.